Ever dreamt of having a green thumb but your living situation says otherwise? Don't have acres of farmland or even a backyard? Think you're limited to just a few potted plants on a windowsill? Think again. But still want to grow a mountain of fresh produce? Imagine baskets overflowing with vibrant, crisp lettuce, juicy tomatoes bursting with flavor, and herbs so fragrant they fill your entire home. It's not a fantasy. Hydroponics is your golden ticket. It's the revolutionary method that lets you cultivate a thriving garden regardless of space or soil. Hydroponics unlocks a world where plants flourish in nutrient-rich water, their roots suspended in liquid life. No soil, no problem, just pure growth. It's a clean, efficient, and incredibly rewarding way to grow your own food. But hydroponics isn't just for hobbyists. It's a viable and increasingly popular method for commercial farming. Here's how to turn your setup into a profit machine, transforming your passion into a thriving business. Let's get right to it. We're diving deep into the world of hydroponics, exploring the key strategies and essential knowledge you need to succeed. Hydroponics isn't just about water and plants, it's about understanding the delicate balance of nutrients, pH levels, and environmental factors that contribute to optimal growth. It's about mastering a system. A system that, when properly managed, can yield incredible results. We're talking faster growth, higher yields, and superior quality produce. Step 1. Know your seasons. Understanding the natural growth cycles of different plants is crucial, even in a controlled environment. Indoors, you can farm lettuce in January, defying the winter chill and enjoying fresh salads year-round. Or tomatoes in July, basking in artificial sunlight and producing juicy, vine-ripened fruit even when the weather outside isn't cooperating. Year-round, baby. Hydroponics gives you the power to control the seasons, creating the ideal growing conditions for your chosen crops no matter the time of year. This means consistent harvests and a reliable supply of fresh produce. Pick crops that thrive in your setup, considering factors like lighting, temperature, and humidity. Some plants are naturally better suited to hydroponic systems than others, and rotate them for constant harvests. Implement a strategic planting schedule to ensure a continuous supply of fresh produce, maximizing your yield and minimizing downtime. Step 2. Maximize your space. In hydroponics, space is a valuable commodity. Vertical farming techniques, stacking systems, and creative layouts can dramatically increase your growing capacity. Overcrowding is the fastest way to stunt your yields. Plants need adequate space to develop healthy root systems and foliage. Cramped conditions lead to competition for resources and increased susceptibility to disease. Give your plants room to breathe. Proper spacing promotes airflow, reduces humidity, and allows each plant to receive the light and nutrients it needs to thrive. Big roots, big fruits. A healthy root system is the foundation of a productive hydroponic garden. Provide ample space for roots to expand and absorb nutrients, and you'll be rewarded with larger, more abundant harvests. Now don't skip the science. Hydroponics is a science-based approach to gardening, and understanding the fundamentals of plant nutrition is essential for success. pH and nutrient levels are the key to unlocking your plant's full potential. Maintaining the correct pH ensures that plants can effectively absorb nutrients from the water. Are the backbone of any thriving hydroponic farm. Neglecting these critical factors can lead to nutrient deficiencies, stunted growth, and ultimately crop failure. Check them weekly, adjust as you grow. Monitoring pH and nutrient levels regularly allows you to fine-tune your system and provide your plants with the precise nutrients they need at each stage of development, and you'll crush the competition. By mastering the science of hydroponics, you'll be able to consistently produce high-quality crops, outperforming traditional farming methods and gaining a competitive edge in the market. Thinking about the bottom line, let's talk about the financial aspects of hydroponic farming. Startup costs can be shocking at first. Investing in the necessary equipment, lighting, and infrastructure can seem daunting. But remember, hydroponics uses up to 90% less water than traditional agriculture. This translates to significant cost savings on water bills, especially in regions where water is scarce or expensive, and gives you up to 4 times the harvest compared to traditional farming methods. This increased yield means more produce to sell, leading to higher revenues and faster returns on your investment. In the same space. Hydroponics allows you to grow more food in a smaller area, maximizing your land use and increasing your overall efficiency. That's efficiency you can take to the bank. The combination of reduced water consumption, increased yields, and efficient space utilization makes hydroponics a highly profitable and sustainable farming method. Most newbies fail because they ignore the details. Hydroponics requires attention to detail and a commitment to maintaining a healthy growing environment, like forgetting to clean their systems. Regular cleaning is essential to prevent the buildup of algae, bacteria, and other contaminants that can harm your plants, or not investing in good lighting. Adequate lighting is crucial for photosynthesis, the process by which plants convert light energy into chemical energy. Insufficient lighting can lead to stunted growth and reduced yields. Don't be that person. Learn from the mistakes of others, and take the time to educate yourself on the best practices for hydroponic farming. Start small, dial in your process. Begin with a manageable system, and gradually expand as you gain experience and confidence. And scale up once you're confident. As your knowledge and skills grow, you can invest in larger and more sophisticated systems to increase your production capacity and profitability. Ready to turn your hydroponic hobby into a business? The potential for growth and profitability in the hydroponic farming industry is immense. With the right knowledge, skills, and dedication, you can build a successful and sustainable business that provides fresh, healthy produce to your community. Share this with fellow growers, spread the word about the benefits of hydroponics, and help others discover the joys of growing their own food. Hit like if you learned something new, show your support for hydroponic farming, and help us reach a wider audience. And remember, success is just a system away. With the right system, the right knowledge, and the right attitude, you can achieve your hydroponic farming goals and reap the rewards of a thriving and profitable business. Grow smart, grow profitable. Embrace the power of hydroponics and unlock a world of possibilities for sustainable and rewarding farming.